Guys, I need to show you something, guys. Look outside. Oh my gosh. Dude, bro, just look. There's a guy like Opaldale, if you can see, hopefully. I don't know how he's doing this. Just look. And the reason why I'm not showing you guys me is because I'm in my underwear right now, so I'll probably get demonetized. Yeah. So, it is way too snowy out there for me to actually go outside and show you. But still, dude, like, I would be freezing. I'd probably get frostbite in like in like more than 206 places if I went outside in just my underwear. So, let's just zoom in. And as you can see, it is a lot snowy, so, yeah. Yeah. So, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.